guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to the supermarket and I'm gonna buy all the ingredients that I'm going to use for my sorrel drink. And this year I'm gonna try to cook a sorrel drink, Jamaican style. First time I'm gonna prepare it. And now it's Christmas, so every Jamaican family going to put this drink on their table, and in Russia we call it also a hibiscus drink or karkade. It's not really a regular drink in Russia. It's pretty hard to get this drink in Russia, and what they do, they mostly mix it with other teas and they sell it, but straight sorrel you can't get it in Russia. Like in Jamaica you can get fresh sorrel, fresh sorrel. And so I'm gonna try to cook it. So we're going to the supermarket now to buy all the other stuff that I'm going to put in my sorrel drink, and also we need to pick up a PO puzzle. Something came in and from our subscriber, and I'm really excited. I want to see what's there. And after we're going to the supermarket. One thing about Mega Mart, their Christmas tree is always on point. Like every year they make sure the Christmas tree are the best. So man, that a Mega Mart about. Here, it's a mail pack. So that's the package, and it says book, okay, and child's t-shirts. Book and a child's t-shirt sounds interesting. Going to open. That's how we receive here in Jamaica puzzles, and Errol going to pay tax or whatever it is. Here Errol is paying for the puzzle. Going to sanitize first. Take off my mask, it's hot today. So I'm going to open it. Oh, this is so cute. That's cute. Daniel visits the zoo. And here,
nice.
It's like a lady. She printed the book
Custom name for it.
herself.
Oh,
That's super cute, dear Daniel. This special book was made
Just
for you. It is so cute.
Oh.
The main character. So
Lots
you
of
are the
love.
main character.
Auntie Jean. Oh.
Auntie Jean, you are so
Oh.
amazing. Thank you, Auntie Jean. You're so cute. I wish I could hug it through the screen. This is so cute. And here comes some t-shirts.
Oh,
Wow,
that's cute.
Merry Christmas. Oh, it says Merry Christmas.
Oh, so we're making this for Christmas, Auntie Jean.
Merry Christmas. Yeah, man, it's so cute. And I like the quality. The quality is good also. I love it.
Yeah.
Alright, check something else. And this is for Lionel.
A fitting one?
Big one for Lionel. Wow.
Oh.
This is so amazing. This is for Leo,
Oh.
It's like a Christmas t-shirts.
Christmas Day.
Yeah, that's what they're going to wear. And something else. There's something else. Lionel, the Little Digger.
Oh.
And this is the book for Lionel. Dear Lionel, from Auntie G. Oh, it's so cute. Oh, something is there. Wait. Swaggy and Errol, Lionel and Daniel. Okay, let's open it. Oops. And Merry Christmas to all the family. You're better reader than me. Come, I read.
Not for reading out on the vlog.
For real?
Yeah.
Okay, guys. All right, guys.
So I can read this out the vlog, guys.
Here, man. Alright, we're gonna read it.
Gonna read it now.
Here, thank you a
What a
lot.
big full stop.
Here. Christmas cakes, them up with the price, you know. Up with the price, it's not even biggest one. It's like a medium size. 3,000 I go come with two with GCT, sure. A small one for. No man, not for bake more. Need for bake more. I didn't want to bake, but I see what they sell, guys. They sell this, and if you normally put in your sorrel alcohol, that's what you mix it with, wine and other alcohol, rum, I think. Errol, do you normally put it in your sorrel? This one?
Yeah, please put that sorrel, but I don't know how much.
Oh, your father, he puts in?
Yeah.
I want to pick up a nice jar for my sorrel drink, so it's going to look really nice and fancy. What about this jar? Just you can store it in there. You don't want? You don't like? What about this one is small?
Oh, yeah, mix it up yourself.
For everybody, what you mean?
Then that can use.
So, where normally store sorrel?
I'm like, one of this already. I can use it. One of this, best thing to use.
I'm just trying to be fancy. I don't know. Well, okay. Okay. If you say so. If you say so. Alright. Alright, so let's pick up the ingredients. I was talking about those ones, Errol. Yeah? You're not fancy. So yeah, guys, this section is a wonder section for me, because here you can see a lot of stuff and I don't know really and truly what some of those are for. So here you can find Jamaican whole nugget. So what people do with it, I don't know, like how you eat it. Then the have different something. I guess it's a nutmeg also, but with different look. Then they have this one. This is what I wanted to try. You can see here a nutmeg and two, what is that? Strange features here. I want that like crystal looking something. Oh, Jamaican chocolate. This is Jamaican chocolate. Oh, Sorrel, did you see Sorrel?
Yeah, see the
Where? Oh wow, yes, they are ready. They are ready for the Christmas fresh sorrel. Yeah, man. So for the pack of sorrel, it's a good pack of sorrel, 775 plus tax. What you guys think? I don't really see through the plastic, so I hope they're not really bad. Come on, I'll go buy this one. Errol, see sorrel, and then I need a cinnamon leaves. Where I can get cinnamon leaves? Get me a cinnamon leaves, cause I need them. Here, so we're going. Where? Oh really? Wait. All right, so I guess cinnamon leaves are here too. No. I think Jamaicans already bought them all for them sorrel drink. It can't be true. Let's see cinnamon leaves. Alright, so we're gonna keep searching for it. Orange peel, I'm going to dry orange peel. I'm going to dry it on the sun. And cinnamon leaves, I have them already. What else? I think that's it. Now I'm going to ask the lady a question. I'm really wondering how she cooks her sorrel. I want to ask a lady. One question. Yeah. Sorry, can I ask you a question? So how do you cook your sorrel? With cinnamon sticks or with cinnamon leaves?
I don't use cinnamon, but I use cloves. Clove, yes. Clove is a little, or pimento green.
Pimento seeds.
Yes, beat it and put it in there.
Oh.
Let it boil and then put some nice bit and ginger.
Okay, ginger. All right, thank you. So guys, good thing I asked the lady and she reminded me about ginger. I totally forgot ginger is one of the main ingredients in your sorrel, you know. I nearly forgot. Hi, welcome to my kitchen, and today we are cooking sorrel drink. Yeah, a nice Christmas treat. Yeah, so I am like a Jamaican, Russian Jamaican, I'm still Jamaican, decided to make that treat because it has to be on the table, on our Christmas table, and I have to know how to make it. And yeah man, so I'm gonna tell you straight, I found this recipe on YouTube, and big up Auntie Deb, big up Auntie Deb. I'm going to repeat her recipe. First time I'm going to cook sorrel drinks. So I've seen a lot of videos so far, but this recipe I love and I wanted to repeat this exact one. And I know some ingredients I might not use in this recipe, but I'm gonna stick to Auntie Deb, and what Auntie Deb said for use, and that me I go use. Alright, Auntie Deb, big up yourself. You're nice and you're a master, you're my teacher. Alright, so yeah man. So here I have a fat pound and a pound, but a fat bag of sorrel. The main ingredient. What else I have here? I have ginger here. Guys, I didn't wash it yet, but I will do it. So excuse me, dirty ginger. Alright, so here I have my orange peel and cinnamon leaves. 5 of them. Auntie Deb said 5 of them, so I'm gonna put exact 5 of them. And she didn't mention about pimento seed, but I asked one lady in a supermarket, so she said that pimento seeds have to go in a drink, like, but because Auntie Deb didn't show it, I'm gonna put only 3, just in case, yeah.
And no help for your Jamaican husband because he never makes sorrel yet. So.
Yeah man, we do it. Not good.
Oh, by
don't worry yourself. Yeah man.
I'll be watching.
That's all you need. It's not a lot of things you need, honestly. Everything you can find in a supermarket. A good thing we're in Jamaica, we can get a fresh sorrel. No dry sorrel. Yeah man, fresh one. First thing first, we need to wash all our ingredients because yeah, we can't just be that.
Because of COVID, I just have to wash it.
Man, we need to wash it. Sanitize it. I'm not to sanitize it, but I go wash it.
Oh, I like it at here. I like your Christmas vibes.
Yeah, man. Like
Merry Christmas, viewers. When it come. So get ready, you know.
Yeah, so I'm going to wash it first, my sorrel. And good thing they already removed all the unnecessary things. So I don't need to go through them. They are ready already. Yeah. So, yep. I'm just going to separate in 1, 2. First portion of my sorrel, I'm going to wash it. And then second one, because I don't have a big bowl, so excuse me, I'm going to use it. I'm going to do it step by step. So first, wash your sorrel, okay? Wash it. Coronavirus. Things are getting real. Yeah, man. Double wash. The Corona. Double wash it. So, come look at it. Nice sorrel. Wait. Here. So with the fresh sorrel, you have to make sure you have to cook it fast because it might spoil on you, you know? Yeah, it's not this dry sorrel. Yeah, man. So make sure when you buy it from the supermarket within a week you cook it, because other than that, you can get spoiled things on you, alright? You don't want to waste your money, you know. So, I'm going to separate it, put it in. So now we're going to wash ginger. Ginger. Let me just wash it. Come on, nice ginger. Ginger is full of good stuff. Good antioxidant for your body.
Oh.
Yeah. So we need something to beat up. To beat this ginger, you need to kind of press it.
You want me beat it? Yeah, mash up your cup so you make me beat it. No,
Come on, a Starbucks cup, we can make it mash up.
No.
We need the Starbucks.
No mash. Let me mash it up.
What we can beat it with? You go beat it?
Yeah.
Alright, come beat it.
I'm going to beat it with.
You need to, no.
Punch it for
No, you can't punch it. You need to use something. No, like this. Yeah, man. Beat it up. But careful with your hand. Yeah, man. So that's why you need. That's why you need the man in the house. A little bit. It's, you no, and this here. That's okay. You crush it.
Oh, you don't want it?
But anyway, I will strain it. So don't beat up it too hard. Cause that too hard, like you just. I just destroyed though.
Sorry. Sorry, lads.
Careful. Everything a fly. Alright.
That look good enough?
Anyway, I'm
You
gonna
just strong you piece I touch me more than that.
to burn you.
You touch me. No fly.
Alright, so yeah, just destroy it. Alright, I'm putting my water to boil, and we need really hot boiling water. Okay. Control all the sorrel pots. I think we even can leave some sorrel because we have a lot of sorrel for the next time. I think it's okay. Do you think we need a little bit more? I think it's okay.
Yeah, the chef, you know.
No.
Yeah, the mixer, the drinks mixer, the salad mixer.
I'm gonna use it next time. So just throw all the ingredients in there.
What that is? Ginger.
Yeah, ginger, everything.
Yeah,
Name it
onion
already, so guys. Yeah, man. So now we need hot water. You see, that's
Careful,
it's
please.
very hot. It's very hot. It's very hot. So I'm gonna pour it. Just going to pour it over my sorrel and all my other stuff. Just enough to cover it. Yeah, like this. Why?
I'm just thinking about the sour drink.
Just gonna mix it a little bit. Like this. It just smells so good. It smells Christmas. That's how Christmas smells, don't it?
Yeah.
Yeah. And I'm just going to leave it for 12 hours and close it, of course. That's tomorrow. See you guys. That's it. Yeah, it's easy peasy. And tomorrow I'm gonna continue showing you what I'm gonna do with my sorrel. But for today, it's over. It's over for today. So I'm just gonna let it rest for 12 hours. And
So see you in 12 hours, guys.
alright, so 12 hours passed, and now I'm gonna check on my sorrel. Yeah, and by the way, I just threw all the bag yesterday, all the sorrel. So sorry you guys saw this bag, all of it gone here. So just decided to dash all of it and done.
You need to
Can't manage to store them things. Just want to make it and
You need to do it
more
like
throw more sorrel I can make. Okay, so now we're gonna strain it, and look at this. Now our sorrel juice has a really bright color. Come, show it.
12 hours later.
Yeah, man, see? Nice, bright reddish color. Yeah, man. And smells with the real strong ginger smell, Like I smell, all I smell is ginger. Yeah, and now let's just strain it. Strainer.
Strainer.
Yeah, strainer.
Strainer.
Yeah.
Strainer.
Alright, so also I'm going to use my cup. I will do it step by step because I don't want to make a great mess. And why? Just a good dig pot. So come on, just a good strain it. Yeah. And the strainer has small holes, so make sure you use strainer with small holes, so that way nothing you will taste in your juice, only pure juice you're gonna get. I know you can do something with the sorrel waste, so I am not going to throw it because you can make a sorrel jelly or sorrel pudding. So so I'm just gonna gently throw it aside and hope that I can find more recipes on YouTube with sorrel. Yeah. By the way, it's super easy to make sorrel juice. It's not a rocket science. But before, I used to think something really, you need to do something else. You really need to put in work. That's just not really. You don't even need to boil it. I mean, just boil your water, throw on the sorrel, and that's it. Yeah. Just strain it. This is a sorrel drink. You see, it looks so nice, and I got a lot of juice out of my sorrels. It looks just perfect, It looks amazing. And now I am going to put pure Jamaican cane brown sugar. Yeah, mix it. Sorrel needs a lot of sugar. Yeah, and by the way, today we are making virgin sorrel. No alcohol in there, but if you drink alcohol or you do it for your Christmas table, just put red label wine in it and rum, anything. Yeah, how you like. But we don't drink alcohol, so we just do it original way, just with brown sugar. Yep. So I'm gonna start with 1 cup of sugar first. I don't know how much I will use, but for now, anyway, I'm afraid to pour it.
Just think you got your little copy.
I can.
Show a little first and then mix it and see.
Yeah. How much sugar do you use for lemonade?
Yeah, probably around a cup there.
Yeah?
Or more. No, same. No, like,
Yeah.
let me take around here. Let me show you.
Yeah.
And then we use 7 line. Perfect.
Alright.
And leave them on 6.
I will definitely prepare sorrel again for the Christmas table, because now we're gonna drink it all. We're gonna drink it all this. What is this? Jug? All this jug.
Yeah.
Sooner or later will disappear. No, it will sooner disappear, really sooner. So I know next time I will cook next sorrel drink for the Christmas table. Put on the Christmas table. Yeah. And maybe that time I might add a little wine, and I really like rum now. Rum is not my thing, so yeah. And the sorrel is going in the fridge because in Jamaica it's very hot, and it's Christmas time and it's still hot, so we drink sorrel cold. But sure, if you're in Canada or in a cold state in America, you can just store your sorrel in a jug like that. Just put some rice at the bottom and dash your sorrel in there.
Rice?
Yeah, man, a bit of rice. And you don't need to start in the fridge.
Never know that.
I think it's time to try it.
You try it. You're the chef.
Okay, I'm gonna try it. Needs more sugar. Bitter.
Huh?
Needs more sugar.
Dump it all.
Yeah, I just need to. Yee. Look at this nice bright red color. Bloody sorrel. Just
Let's see this.
okay, so try again. Yeah, man. But I think it needs more sugar.
Yeah, so put more sugar.
Yeah, woolly point from one bag of sorrel that I bought in the supermarket. You guys can get a big jug of sorrel. How much liter in there? How much liters? Wait, let me read the sticker. Sticker supposed to say jar 3 liters. Yeah man, 3 liters in this jug. So out of one bag of sorrel you can probably get 3 liters of the actually sorrel juice. That's a lot, you know.
It's a spoon thing.
Yeah man, it tastes good.
Yeah, I need a cup. Put the ice to tell you what I'm going on.
Yeah man, Auntie Deb, I go on with the things.
You did it.
Yeah man, Auntie Deb, cheers and beers. Thank you for the recipe. Well satisfied. Well satisfied.
Satisfied.
You say satisfied because it's on fire.
Well, you tell the audience how we know you make a career, yeah?
Yeah man.
You know, make a soggy.
Yeah man, sorrel on fire, sorrel on fire. I love it. Yeah, me like that you don't really taste ginger and just blend it just right. Yeah, and no other flavors. You know, you drink sorrel and you know you drink sorrel, nothing else. Not ginger juice, no cinnamon leaf juice, sorrel juice you drink. Oh. Yeah man, Christmas is coming, you know. I feel it. I feel. Alright guys, so I'm telling you from now, Merry Christmas. And yeah, what's on your plans? Share, are you going to cook sorrel for your table? Yeah, thank you for watching. Like, subscribe and share as usual, and take care. Bye.